Hi and welcome. We are Shannon Flourishing Essence, and here we embody our inner goddess. So, thanks again for joining me. I have a blip in the internet right now, so thanks for rejoining me at this time. So, right now, I am going to draw a card from the Sacred Crystal Code Oracle deck. To tune in to the energy of today and see what is the snapshot of energy for today. So this is number 25, and number 25 is for angel messages. And I love this beautiful little card, the infinity sign. This sacred crystal grid opens and allows receiving, activating messages, amplifying clarity and insight and wisdom, bringing in the Akashic realm, your inner knowing, your inner goddess, the insights and messages that are meant for you. And you tune in to that beautiful energetic space and quiet your mind and still your breathing slowly with the heartbeat. You can receive amplified messages in your knowing for your next steps, for illuminating your purpose, your gifts, your talent, using your inner knowing, your inner goddess, your energy flow in alignment with your heart space amplifies and aligns your truest path, your highest good, and the highest good of all. So I'd love to hear what this brings in for you. For myself, I feel just expansive love and gratitude, and commit to the devotion of my inner goddess, tuning into my inner resources, my intuition, my potent, audacious self, and standing firm in my beliefs and my strengths, shining my light even brighter so that more women become confident and abundant in their self-worth, and stepping through the veil, through the threshold, away from the box of conformity into our sovereign, intuitive selves, and aligning with our purpose and why we're here, to share our gifts and help others exponentially amplify our energy for humanity. We each have our own gifts and talents. We have a mission, we have a vision. It's encoded in our DNA. So I'd love to hear what comes up for you when you tune into and tap into these beautiful angel messages that you receive when you tune into this beautiful crystal grid. So that one's it for now, and I'll be back again soon. Ta for now.